Bonjour à tous. Today I am here again with a new topic. As you can see, les adjectifs démonstratifs, demonstrative adjectives in French. So all of you be ready to learn this new topic, demonstrative adjectives. As you can see here, the demonstrative adjectives are used to point out specific nouns, people or things. In English, they correspond to this, that, these, and those. So in example, you can see English sentences. This book is interesting. To this word, this is demonstrative adjective. Les adjectifs démonstratifs. Here also, if you can see, this or that man is my uncle. So this also we use demonstrative adjectives for this also, that also. Here in French also you can see, ce livre est intéressant. Ce livre est intéressant. Another sentence, cet homme est mon oncle. Cet homme est mon oncle. This or that man is my uncle. Cette voiture est rapide. Cette voiture est rapide. This car is fast. Ces enfants jouent dans le parc. These or those children are playing in the garden. So we have 4 words for demonstrative adjectives. Here you can see, first one is ce, 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 meaning is this, that, and this is, ce is used with masculine singular nouns. Then cet, meaning again will remain the same, this, that, and cet will use with masculine singular nouns starting with a vowel. Or you can say A, E, I, O, U, H, and Y also. Then CETT is set, and again meaning will remain the same, this, that. It is used with feminine singular nouns. And last one is CES, pronunciation will be say, meaning is these or those, and it is used with masculine as well as feminine plural nouns for both. First word, ce, this or that, set, again this or that, set, this or that, and CES, say means these, those. So we have 4 words for demonstrative adjectives. Now here again, if you can see, distinguish between this versus that, these and those. So if you want to say, like in French, French doesn't have separate words for this, these, that, those, but one can add what? Si and la. Si, why? Si to near ones, and la for far. Here if you can see, ce livre ci, this book. Here, ce livre là, that book, far away. The same way, ces chaussures, these shoes, here I have, and ces chaussures là, those shoes, far away. So we add si and la to indicate near and far. Near and far. So these are demonstrative adjectives. These are demonstrative adjectives. So we have, this topic is very small, demonstrative adjectives, 4 words are there. What you have to do, you have to learn the gender and number of the noun with which you are going to use demonstrative adjectives. You should know the gender and number of those nouns. With the help of those number and gender, you can easily use demonstrative pronouns. So be ready to learn this also, and later I'll give exercise related to this topic also. And till next video, merci, bonne journée, au revoir.